online shopping has taken off, many businesses have experienced the good problem of sales outpacing their warehouse capabilities. For all the positives that increased sales represent, they can be soured by delayed fulfillment. It has become necessary to have tools that will equip your warehouse to keep up with incoming orders. Modern tools like Acumatica, the Cloud ERP, have the power to streamline every aspect of your shipping process. We at AcuPower, a certified Acumatica partner, we are here to help you see the value Acumatica Cloud ERP brings to your business. Stick to us and be aware of the opportunities you can get thanks to this system. And now, let's get started. The first obstacle that many businesses face is simply converting a sales order to a shipment. Whether it's because of a time-consuming manual process or poorly defined responsibilities in the workflow, Acumatica solves the problem through its order processing automation. Simply schedule a batch process and let the system do the work for you. The schedule can be based on a variety of factors, including customer, carrier, or even the selected ship via method. In a similar fashion, to create the shipments, it's easy to generate and manage pick lists for your warehouse associates. These pick lists can be for a single shipment or created as a batch or a wave. It's then a simple matter of printing the pick list for necessary barcode information. But for an even more streamlined picking process, you can opt out to send the picking queue for paperless picking. Once in the picking queue, easily manage the remaining shipments. You can change the priority of a shipment or assign a picking list to an employee as necessary. Paperless picking has the potential to save countless hours and headaches for your warehouse employees. Within the mobile app, instead of scanning from a pile of paper pick lists, they can select the next option and be asked to define their current location. Once Acumatica knows their current location, they will be given their next shipment pick list and asked to select a tote. Acumatica will then direct the picker to the nearest bin location to scan the necessary quantity, ensuring warehouse optimization. All of these directions will be based on however the open pick lists were assigned during the previous steps. Once a shipment has been picked, save even more time with automated packing features like package suggestions. When an order is created, Acumatica will suggest an appropriate box size based on the known product information like size and weight. Once everything is picked and packed, take advantage of the ability to Rateshop between carriers with Acumatica's shipping carrier integration capabilities. Upon shipment confirmation, the system will retrieve shipping labels and tracking information directly from the carrier. Not only will these features be helpful when the time comes to pack and ship an order, but carrier integrations and package suggestions mean that your sales team would be able to provide accurate shipping quotes when creating an order. At AcuPower, we are committed to bringing your entire business into the digital age, including warehouse automation. If you would like to learn more about Acumatica and tell us about your needs, please visit our website to schedule a meeting with our team. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe as well. Thank you for watching.